If you want to update apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have two main ways to do so. The first option is to use the Samsung Store. In here, if you go to the Samsung Store and go to the menu here in the bottom right corner, then we can find Updates button. And in here, you should be able to find the list of all apps that you have, or at least most of the apps that you have in here that can be updated using this app. We can tap on Update All, and then you can just simply wait for these updates to be done. You can also use the Play Store, the Google's Play Store app. We're gonna tap on your profile here in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find Manage Apps and Device. Now in here we can see the list of apps that can be updated. You can tap on Update All in order to do so. You can individually update apps as well, and that is pretty much it as well. Of course, you can also search for a specific app that you already have installed, and if there is an update ready, then you will have the update button available in here. Leave a like and subscribe.